want to send the same email to multiple people, but don't have time to write each one individually? With Gmail's multi-send feature, you can easily send the same message or document to multiple recipients in just a few easy steps. Start by opening up a new Compose window in Gmail. Once you are ready with your message and attachments, click the down arrow next to the Send button. Click Multi-send, and a pop-up window will open so that you can type in all of the email addresses of your recipients, separated by commas. Before sending out your emails, make sure that your messages contain an unsubscribe link. This is not only good practice, but is also a legal requirement in many countries like Canada's anti-spam legislation, CASL. Leaving it out can get you into serious trouble with hefty fines or other penalties. The last step is simply pressing Send and watching as all of your emails are sent at once. That's it. Now you can relax knowing that all of your messages have been sent with ease. Using Gmail's multi-send feature can save tons of time when it comes to mass emailing tasks, but it can also be used for other use cases such as sharing documents across different teams on projects or quickly syncing contacts between devices/accounts, all while ensuring compliance with relevant laws regarding opt-out requests from customers and subscribers.